You don't need a PhD to be a superstar executive, an MBA is enough. But for people who want to study human behavior, intellectually curious about how the brain works, how people behave and why people behave in a certain way, that's when a PhD can be appealing for some of these people.
Doing a PhD for me personally is an extremely rewarding and fulfilling experience. And I get the time, resources, and guidance from experts to help me think about and find answers to the questions I want to answer.
You get to really engage in problems that are of interest to yourself. And through doing that, you really have the opportunity also to make a real lasting and impactful difference to business and society.
A PhD at INSEAD will involve a 5-year program. So you need to spend a lot of time on research. You work with different advisors, different faculty, different colleagues, including your fellow classmates as well, and work on a topic that you feel passionate about.
PhD students here take classes during the first 2 years. They will either be physically in the Singapore or Fontainebleau campus and have students on the other campuses join online. So every classroom will be hybrid, but it's a very interactive environment.
The PhD program combines 2 elements. First is knowledge acquisition, doing some courses trying to expand your skill set, which you can then use in the second half of the PhD, which is more around doing relevant, rigorous research using those skills that you've developed. Beyond the PhD, the expectation would be that you would join an academic institution. The opportunities available to you are quite diverse as an academic, as a business school professor.
There are many perks of being a professor in the business school. One perk is that you have flexible hours. You will experience this flexibility from the get-go in a PhD program. You will be not just attending classes, you will actually experience research and you experience the lifestyle of a professor from the get-go.
You get a lot of time and flexibility to think about deep and profound questions that you might not otherwise be able to if you were to go into a career in industry.
What makes the PhD journey at INSEAD really unique is, first of all, your kind of ability to experience the PhD life in 2 different campuses. And this exposure can help you get ideas about research that people in a single location may not be able to get.
As an INSEAD PhD student, you get to collaborate with companies who are doing really inspiring, unique things from contexts that you might not otherwise have the opportunity to collaborate with.
Our faculty collaborate very closely and publish articles together with our PhD students. So we make sure that by the time they are on the job market, they will have some publications ready. An ideal PhD candidate and someone who have this passion for learning. They want to learn and continue to research to find out answers to questions they are curious about.
Someone who is very problem-focused, so who likes to work on difficult problems.
You're passionate about science and research, and you're intrigued about how you can make business as a force for good.
And will enjoy a career with great autonomy, flexibility, and the opportunities to make a positive impact on the business and society. I think doing a PhD will be a great career path for you.